Hi friends, welcome back to this new episode. Today we are going to learn how to make a text animation that you can use in your title. And this is my text, and each text is in symbol. You can make your own text by using this tool. And here you can select which type of text design you want. There is a lot of type of text here. And then here you can control the size of the text. Also you can change the color here. Make sure all these letters are in symbol. Now select all the symbols and press F8. Then go inside and distribute it to layers. Now let's insert the keys here for animation. I am doing a jump in text animation. This is a simple method that anyone can follow. What I am going to do is I will give a squash before the text go in the air and a settle moment in the last. Now let's arrange this text layer, and they appear in different times one by one. Now let's insert the frames here and see the full animation. So that's it guys, the text animation is completed. You can select various type of text and colors. I hope you like this tutorial. Please drop your valuable comments and feedback. I will see you in the next section. Till then, bye bye.